How to contact TikTok support. So first is to launch the TikTok application. Then go to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon which is found on the lower right corner. Now tap on the three horizontal lines which you can find on the upper right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down until you find Report a Problem, which is under Support and About. So in this page, you will find a list of topics that you can select that relates to your problem. So if you're not sure what topic your issue is under, what you can do is go to the bottom and you will find this Submit a Report button. Tap this button. So from here, you can write down a message which contains the details of your issue. So you can also attach a screenshot or a video of that issue. And now once you're done, hit the Submit button. Now once you hit the Submit button, what you can do is to wait for the TikTok support team's response. And so that is how you contact TikTok support. Thank you and have a great day.